Chana dal, 1 cup. Meat boneless, ½ kg. Onion, 1 large size. 6 to 8 garlic cloves, 6-8. Ginger, 1 piece finely chopped. Salt, to taste. Chili flakes, 2 teaspoons. Cinnamon and clove powder, ½ teaspoons. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Water, 1 litre. Cook until the meat is tender and the dal is soft. Grind the mixture well. Onion, 1 finely chopped. Green chilies, 4 to 5 finely chopped. Fresh coriander leaves. Garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Add 1 egg. Mix well. Shape the mixture into small kebabs. Dip each kebab in egg mixture. Heat oil over low flame. Fry the patties till they are dark brown on both sides. Serve hot Shammi Kababs with chutney.